Hi, a couple of new things in the Vickers MG Collection and Research Association Collection and Archive this week. This one is a nice manual that is not something typically Vickers, but covers from the Small Arms School at Hythe in June 1923, just the weapons, ground and formations, infantry section leaders. Nice, relatively well-preserved manual that gives you a lot of information on how the platoon and the supporting arms were used together. A nice photo of the platoon weapons broken down into sections there. So sort of information about how they would be working together, different functions in the section, so the role of the rifle, how they fight, then the bayonet, the rifle grenade. Really just good overview of all of the section and platoon weapons in 1923. Great shot there of the Lewis gun magazines look all stacked, and somebody who's obviously very good at stacking. How beaten zone explained, different bits about effective beaten zones, fields of fire, different localities. Look, some nice differences between the Vickers and the Lewis there as well. So this will be going up on our website as soon as we can get around to scanning it, sharing it with our patrons first for a while, and then we'll make it available to the wider community more than likely. This is the kind of thing that we add into the archive every now and again when we do see them available. So we keep on building that archive and keep on sharing it with you. So thank you for the support of those patrons already. This has been funded from yourselves, and we hope that you continue to support us into the future. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Please support us on Patreon if you're able to, and let us know of anything you'd like to see in the future. I look forward to hearing from you.